Hello adventurers and welcome back to another video for Fable Beard Company. I am the Apprentice and today we are going to be talking about why beards are attractive.
May your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.
I think it's pretty obvious to a lot of us men who have significant others, there is evidence of someone being attracted to us because of our facial hair. Granted, there may be some others that prefer that their husbands do not have facial hair, but we're going to be talking about the reasoning on why facial hair is seen as attractive. It comes down to a couple of main points. First off, it is the topic of maturity. When men get older and, they go through puberty, they start growing facial hair. When men grow out facial hair, no matter the length of the beard, it is a sign of maturity. It is a sign that they are getting older, that they are more grown up. Not necessarily that they act grown up, let's say, but the point is that they are older. And there are people who find that attractive when they just look to be older. Whereas, and for me, I'll be honest, when I am clean shaven, I have baby face. I look 5 years younger than I actually am, and I'm sure that there are women who just won't find me as attractive. Side note, all I need is my wife to find me attractive, and that's all that matters. But the point is, even she, I'm sure, finds me more attractive with facial hair. And the second part of this, we have our maturity, but we also have the masculinity. This does make men, seem and appear to be more, manly, to put it into a simple term. So we look manlier, we look stronger, we look like we have the ability to protect. As men, really, as instinctually speaking, that's the role of what a lot of men are supposed to be doing, is that we are supposed to be protectors and providers. And so when others see us, with the facial hair, we look older, we look stronger, we look to be the kind of person who can protect others. And a lot of people find that to be an attractive quality. Now, if you want some evidence, because I'm sure that there are some people that disagree with this, think about the attraction level of people who are in Hollywood. You have a lot of famous actors who will be sporting facial hair of some level, whether they're growing out a beard or they just have that simple short trim that they have. But you can't deny it that in Hollywood, they throw facial hair on all of the guys. They try to make them to appear to be more attractive and to be more appealing to all sorts of people. That's not to say that they don't look attractive to those other people when they are clean shaven. But if you notice and you keep an eye out for it, you will find that the levels of attraction definitely change. And in my opinion, they start to skyrocket when they see actors who do have facial hair. Now, to play some devil's advocate, again, yes, there are many people out there that prefer their significant others to be clean shaven. And there is nothing wrong with that. That is their preference. We are not throwing a conceived notion onto a group of people to say that you have to find men with facial hair attractive and that is it. No, it's your opinion. It is what you believe in. But there is a lot of signs for people to believe that the reason why men are found to be attractive who have facial hair is because they come across as older, they come across as stronger and more protective. And, there's nothing wrong with that. So let the men grow out their facial hair, let people find that attractive, and those who don't find it attractive, that is okay. Now, to summarize this entire video, guys, you got facial hair, congratulations, people find you attractive. Good for you. Now, we do hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did on any level, please consider liking the video. Comment down below your thoughts on the stuff that we were talking about today. I love to go through and read all the comments and seeing ways that maybe we can approach these videos differently. So I will try to find the time to go ahead and read through these comments. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet and you would like to, please consider doing so. Also, don't forget to toll the bell so you will get notifications whenever we do post. As always, adventurers, may your beards be forever blessed and fortune forever upon your door. Good day.